From the moment I embarked on my YouTube journey, the dream of having my very own YouTube studio hasn't been etched in my mind. But you know what? I didn't let the lack of a fancy studio curb my creativity. Check this out. I kicked off my YouTube adventure right in my apartment's living room with my trusty Glowforge casually chilling on the floor. Yeah, you heard that right. Floor level laser action. Say that 3 times. As the videos started rolling out, showcasing my laser wizardry, I knew I had to level up. Enter the game changer, a table. I upgraded my living room kitchen combo into a creative powerhouse where some serious view-worthy content was born. It was all a part of the journey, right? Now let's fast forward to the present, 2023. A few moons ago, a friend of mine casually dropped the gem. He stumbled upon this amazing rental space while out and about. Picture this space filled with artists, photographers, makers, a creative wonderland. Naturally, I had to check it out, and at the moment I laid eyes on the available space, it was like love at first sight. No second thoughts. I signed the lease, and now I'm ready to take my laser projects to new heights. Stick around, because the adventure is just beginning. Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. It's been a minute, but your boy, we got a studio. I'm gonna show y'all around. All right, we're gonna start over here. As you can see, we got a computer desk. It's one of those stand and sit leveling desks, whatever. Next, it's gonna be the workbench. This is where I'm gonna do a lot of the top-down shots. My desk that I'm gonna be working on right here. And of course, we have what started it all, the Glowforge. I'm still rocking with the Glowforge Basic. It still works as if it was brand new. And up under here, I got all of my acrylics right here. We got some tape. I got the filter. Got an extra filter right here, and I still have my AC infinity fan over here. Over here, we just got a bag that's got some materials and stuff like that. I ain't gonna even lie, I'm not no interior decorator or anything like that. So if you got some type of tips or ideas that I can put inside of the studio, I want it to be like more functional. I just wanna be able to grab stuff, keep it moving, and I don't know if I should put like some on the walls or something like that. Yeah, I can basically do whatever I wanna do inside of this space right here. And I want to say thank y'all for sticking around. Yeah, thank y'all for checking in on me, make sure I was okay through the comments, through the DMs and all that type of stuff. I really appreciate it. Yeah, man, just been a long journey. And also, man, if y'all ever come to Nashville and y'all want to come check out the space, want to collab on some videos or something, we got a space to do it. I'm open to all that stuff. I had a couple people hit me up before. I didn't want them like coming to my apartment or nothing like it. So it was like, so y'all ever come to Nashville, y'all want to link up, let me know. Who knows, man, we can make some magic up in here. Or, you know, show you how I do things, or you show me some tips, we can do all that. We got some fire videos to put out. I've been seeing what a lot of people been putting out there, and I ain't gonna even say nothing, but guess what? We about to turn it up over here. I got some crazy ideas in my head. We about to get them out. Make sure y'all subscribe if y'all haven't. Your first time here, check out some of my older videos. You can see kind of the, you know, stuff that I be doing over here. I got this hoodie. I'm gonna start selling some, but I'm gonna do probably like pre-order or some. So if y'all wanna help support this channel, you can order a maker hoodie. Oh yeah, and on the back, it got half human, half maker on the back. I don't know if you can see it. I need to get a little better way of doing this, but yeah, it got this real big on the back. I'm gonna have a link to the website in the description right there, the pre-order hoodie. I'm probably gonna do pre-orders probably like for the rest of this month, probably ship them out at the top of 2024. TROY, the maker, checking out, and we're about to go make something. Let's get it.